Hi, in today's video I will share with you how to use transition effects in DaVinci Resolve. I am Jafari, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's jump straight to it. So here in DaVinci Resolve we have a number of video clips that are color coded and numbered for the purpose of this video. What we'll be doing is adding transition effects to the end and beginning of these video clips to show how this can be done in DaVinci Resolve. First, ensure that you're in edit mode, and the next step is to go to your effects option here. Next, select effects. Here we will see a number of effects including audio transitions and video transitions. We'll be looking at video transitions, so we select that. Here we have a number of video transitions that can be used. For each of these effects, as we move our cursor from left to right, there's a preview of the effect. In this case, it's at the top right corner of the screen. Let's move from left to right for additive dissolve, and we are seeing the preview here to the right of our screen. Let's do the same for blur dissolve effect. There you have it. Now let's add these effects to our video clip. We can add transition effects by selecting our current clip and our next clip. Then right click on the effect, then select the option add to selected edit points and the clips. Or we can simply drag and drop on our clips. There we have it. Now let's take a look at this transition effect between the two clips. And here we see our transition effect. Let's do that again. Looking at our transition effect taking place, there it is. Let's try another transition effect. Let's try blur dissolve. Let's drag and drop this effect on clips 1 and 2. There you have it. It's also important to note there are many other transition effects that we can select from here, so you can go ahead and try these out. And another important point is that clips need to be trimmed at least a few frames in order for transition effects to be added properly. The first clip should be trimmed at the end of the clip, while the following clip should be trimmed at the start of the clip. The trimming of clips will allow transition effects to be added without problems. Now let's take a look at another way of adding a transition effect. There's also a very simple way of adding transition to these clips without using any of these over here. I will show that to you. At the top corner of each clip, there are sliders. These sliders can be used to create transition effects. These sliders can be moved to the left or to the right. Let's do it. Moving this slider to the left and moving this slider to the right. Let's take a look at the transition effect. And there we have it. And that's it for our video on how to use transition effects in DaVinci Resolve. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.